It will be even longer for children in kindergarten through 6th grades because the government has yet to approve any COVID-19 vaccine for that age group.
California is poised to impose the nation's first coronavirus vaccine mandate for school children. A move announced Friday that could push other states to follow, as many did after Governor Gavin Newsom ordered the first statewide stay-at-home order in the U.S. during the early days of the pandemic. Newsom said the mandate won't take effect for all children until the U.S. government has finished fully vetting the vaccine for 2 age groups, 12 to 15 and 5 to 11. That means those in 7th to 12th grades probably will have until July to get their shots.
For the coronavirus vaccine, California will grant exemptions for medical reasons, plus religious and personal beliefs. The rules for those exemptions will be written after the state hears comments from the public.
Law requires all children enrolled in public and private schools to have 10 immunizations, with exceptions for medical reasons. For the coronavirus vaccine, California will grant exemptions for medical reasons, plus religious and personal.
The mandate eventually will affect more than 6.7 million public and private school students in the nation's most populous state. California already has a mask requirement for school children. We have to do more. The
mandate eventually will affect more.
Full endorsement for that age group is likely within a few months. Vaccines for children 5 to 11 are still in the testing stage.
The federal
California has one of the
government has fully approved coronavirus vaccines for any
rates in the country.
1 over 16 and
4%
has given emergency of
people 12 and
authorization
older have gotten at least one shot, and 70% are fully vaccinated.
Those 12 to 15.
But the state has a
full and
vocal minority
endorsement for that age
of both the
age group is likely within a few months.
Government's assurances of its safety. Last month, more than 1,000 people gathered at
for children
state capital
5
to protest back. The government in no shape or form should be having mandates like that. I don't care for that. I'm a veteran. I serve.
A small number of school districts nationwide have imposed.
California kids made the mistake of not giving millions to his campaigns, Republican Assemblyman Kevin Kiley tweeted Friday. Kiley was among 46 candidates who ran to replace the governor during the recall election. Newsom's announcement comes as COVID-19 infections in most of California have dropped markedly. The statewide positivity rate for the last week was 2.8%, and the average number of daily cases was about 6,355. Roughly half what it was when the latest surge peaked in mid-August. Hospitalizations have fallen by 40%.
Plus schools are now open countywide, County Health Director Barbara Ferrer said Thursday. She noted that although the number of outbreaks in schools has increased slightly in recent weeks, the overall number in
Angeles County
is small and
nation's
largely related to youth sports.
Largest, with more than 10 million residents, just 1.7% of people tested for the virus have it, and daily infections are down by half in the last month, when most kids went back to school.
We already require vaccines against several known deadly diseases before students can
California
enroll in schools, said
California's largest teachers union.
Dr. Peter N. Breda, president of the California Medical Association.
As does the California Association of School Boards. This is not a new idea. We already require
the Newsom administration
vaccines against
is simply
several known deadly
extending existing public
diseases before
public health protections to cover this new disease, which has until now, Newsom had left the decision on student vaccine mandates to local school districts, leading to a variety of different orders.
Until now, Newsom had left the decision on student vaccine mandates to local
a vaccine mandate for eligible
school districts, leading to a variety of different orders.
Students is set to take effect.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Mandate.
Medical Association.
As does the California Association of School Boards. This is not a new idea. We already require
the Newsom administration
vaccines against
is simply
several known deadly
extending existing public
diseases before
public health protections to cover this new disease, which has Until now, Newsom had left the decision on student vaccine mandates to local school districts, leading to a variety of different orders.
Until now, Newsom had left the decision on student vaccine mandates to local
A vaccine mandate for eligible
school districts, leading to a variety of different orders.
students is set to take effect. The vaccine mandate also would apply to teachers and staff in K-12 public and private 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 and
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.